Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is how I make my chicken stuffed peppers. So let's get started. So I have 2 chicken breasts. I boil them and I'm chopping it up very small. I'll take out this second chicken breast and chop that up as well. I have 1 package of Philadelphia cream cheese. It's 8 ounces. I also have the Philadelphia cream cheese at room temperature. I also have some frozen broccoli. I'll probably use about a cup of this frozen broccoli, and I'll chop it up small. I have 1 can of cream of chicken soup. It's a 26-ounce can. So now I'll finish chopping up my chicken. You want the chicken to be chopped up kind of small. So now I'll take this chopped chicken and place it in a bowl. So I have my second chicken breast. I'll chop that one up. I'm all done chopping the chicken, so now I'll place it in my bowl. I'll salt and pepper. I'll add in about a teaspoon of onion powder. So I'll eyeball it. I'll also do the same for the parsley flakes. I'll add in a teaspoon. Now I'll chop up some of the broccoli, add the broccoli in here, and then mix it with the cream cheese. So I have my chicken off to the side. Now I'll take my frozen broccoli and chop that up. You can use fresh broccoli, I just didn't have any on hand. Out of the 2 cups of broccoli, this is 1 cup that I'm using that I'll place into the chicken. The other cup I'll put in my gravy. So now I'll place the broccoli into my chicken. So now that my broccoli is in with my chicken, I'll mix it around. Now I'll take my room temperature cream cheese and mix that in. So in my bowl I have the chicken, the broccoli, and 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'll put some gloves on and then mix this all in. These peppers are really good with chicken. So I'm just flipping it over, making sure the broccoli is incorporated in with the chicken and the cream cheese. Now that that's done, I'll take out my green peppers. So I have my green peppers. They're nice and big. So before I put this mixture into the green peppers, I have some mushrooms, so I'll cut up the mushrooms really tiny and then I'll mix that in with the chicken and broccoli. So I'm using 4 of these fresh mushrooms. I clean them and wipe them off. So I'll add these mushrooms to the chicken and broccoli and then I'll incorporate that. I put my glove on. Now I'll mix the mushrooms in. And then I'll put them into my green peppers. So I'm just flipping it over and then just smooshing it around. That looks good. I'll wash and cut my green peppers. So I have my 2 green peppers. I clean them out. Now I'll cut them in half. I have a 9x13 casserole dish. I have my oven preheated at 350. Now I'll fill this half with the chicken mixture. And that's what it should look like. So the 2 chicken breasts filled 2 green peppers, 2 whole green peppers, but I cut them in half. So now I'll make the gravy to go on top. Before I start the gravy, I'll salt and pepper the top. Now I'll open up my can of cream of chicken soup. It's a 26 ounce. I'll place it in my pot along with the half a can of heavy whipping cream. I emptied my soup into the pot on the stove, so now I'll add in a half a can of the heavy whipping cream. Now I'll pour that in. You want to mix this in. To the cream of chicken soup, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of curry. So it was 2 tablespoons of curry. So now I'll mix that in. Now that everything is incorporated, what I'm going to do is add in the rest of the broccoli. Now I'll mix this in. So that was the full 2 cups of broccoli that I used between the mixture and the chicken and then in this sauce. Now that the broccoli's mixed in with the chicken soup, I'll turn my burner off. I'll pour this mixture over my chicken stuffed peppers. You want to make sure that the sauce or the gravy is all over your chicken stuffed peppers. That looks good. So now I'll put some aluminum foil on top and place this in my 350-degree oven for about an hour, and then I'll check on it. So into the oven it goes. My oven's on 350. It's been a half hour, so I'm just going to check on it. You want to make sure that the peppers are nice and soft. The broccoli will cook in with the sauce and in the oven along with the mushrooms. So back into the oven it goes. After an hour is up, I'll check and make sure that the pepper is soft enough. If not, I'll put it in for another half hour. I kept my chicken stuffed peppers in the oven for an hour and a half, so now I'm going to take them out. So now I'll check the peppers. Ooh, look at how good that looks. Oh yeah, the peppers are nice and soft. Oh, that looks good. If you like, you can serve these chicken stuffed peppers with rice or pasta, or just eat it plain. I'm making some rice. And just cook the rice according to the directions on the package. My rice is done. So now I'll take the chicken stuffed peppers out of the oven. I turned my oven off. Oh yeah, that looks good. It really smells good. You can really smell that curry. So now I'll put some on my plate. I'll put a little rice on. This looks so good. It's really hot. Just came out of the oven, but I'll give it a try. I got some of the chicken, the broccoli, the green pepper, some of the rice. I'll give it a try. This is really good. Deserves a second bite. I got the chicken, the mushroom. Just melts in your mouth. Really good. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking, and watch me make my chicken stuffed peppers. Give it a try. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.